Hello guys, so in this session or in this video we have one test examination that uh, whenever we type into the input box, that text will automatically show the cut line. So how we can do in the JavaScript, let's see. So first of all, I am just saving into the line cut value, closing this one, and okay, opening into the Chrome browser. Edit with not textpad. Okay, so first of all we need to create one HTML input box. This is our HTML input box. I will create one input let's say id is equal to text, and data we will figure it out later, and type we will see as a text. Now just refresh this one. Now whatever I will type in this one, this will automatically show into the cut line. So how I can do using the JavaScript? Use the inspect element. I am doing it into my this code window, so we don't need to use that notepad text. So what I will do first, I will assign. I will first of all get this value into the variable. So what I will do, where let's say get my value. So get input value. Okay, so I will type here document. Sorry, I will have to copy this one again. Document get element by id. id is my text. Okay, this is my id. Now whenever I just click on this input box, this will automatically trigger. For that I will use the event listener beside this variable, add event listener, and my call is input, and I will write one function. So function is this, because we are calling into this variable this style dot text line. Okay, text through line something, this should be there here. Input dot add if event listener line through. Okay, missing parameter, what exactly we miss? Oh, but got it. So I'm putting this into this one. Okay, input add if event listener is a not function. Why it is not function? Okay, let me just put into the notepad. So we will just one by one apply this functionality. Input variable addEventListener is a not function. Why it is not calling its function? My script value is correct here. This dot style dot decoration line through. Okay, let me check get element by id is correct. So whatever I will type, this should print in. Okay, so this is reading perfectly. Document that get element by id. Uncounted dot is a not function. Input well. We are doing some spelling mistake. Okay, let me disable this one. So whenever you get any types of error, first of all cross check like this way, that where exactly the problem is. If you are in the beginning of the stage, so problem is not inside the code, problem is in this one. Okay, input dot value that add event listener. So let me just copy this and just check whether I am doing the correct thing or not. Add event listener. Add event. Just I am putting into the single quotation input. Putting into the HTML at the end. So now it is not showing any error. Okay, if I type anything, then you can see done is working. So I think the problem was in this line, that's why. If I put again the double quotation, then this should not be any issues. So now we can call the CSS function this dot style dot decoration. So this will call this value and cut the line. Okay, this is not working, so we'll just take the help of Google. How to cut line in text in CSS. Text decorations, line through. So let's check our spelling mistake is correct or not. This dot style dot decoration, line through. Yes, spelling is correct. So if I just again put here line through, it's not cutting because this dot text, I think I should use here text. And now if I just run, so let me just ask this one, this dot decoration, my decoration spelling is correct or not. Let me see. Property of undefined this dot style. So still it is not changing, maybe. So hi guys, I have found the issue why was the code was not working. So let me refresh. So code was not working because we should put here text decoration. This is the line of the syntax in JavaScript. So if I again run, and this time it's showing the cutting line on text. Okay, because I forgot to assign this text decoration. So that's why issue was coming. So thanks for the watching video.